I think I just saw lightning over there. What's going on？ 大家好，我是小马。首先，大家我跟你抱歉，最近没有更新很多啊，就是因为我最近有一些事情要做，包括我跟我前面这个人是我爸，我帮他做一个视频，在宾夕法尼亚就帮他公司做一个视频。我想下个星期我就可以更新更多期。反正我们今天要干嘛嘞？要去划船。I said we're gonna go ride a boat because I think when you say you're gonna do something, it's important to actually go do it. 大概1个月前，我爸刚买了一艘船。我在那个视频里面说，我们改天再划，那天就是今天，所以 let's go. Where's the boat?
It's in there.
There? Oh. 所以我们这边就是码头嘞，这个人他要给我们开过去，开到我们的船。这个船比刚才那个要小很多。Woo! Bye bye. It's really bumpy.
What do you mean bumpy?
What if we capsize?
You know how to swim, right?
All right. So, guys, 我们第一步这个东西 ，right？ 对，我们今天也。Yeah. All right. This is the life. 刚才有一艘船，他们告诉我们，等一下有附近的就有 thunderstorms。看起来没有。That looks kind of thundery looking.
Like a half an hour of sailing, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Here's thunder's coming in.
Yeah, the app says severe thunderstorm watch. Oh yeah, I hear that. Well, I kind of want to fly this drone at least. Is it gonna work? I don't know, but we're gonna see. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I don't mind. Oh shit! No! Damn it! That was not cool. Okay, one more time. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. Okay, now try and land it.
Without me getting cut in the face?
Oh, it's too small. It can't land. Grab it, yeah. Oh shit, guys. It won't come. It's the obstacle avoidance. Maybe I could land on the beach or something.
Could land on the beach.
We're going to the beach. All right, this is a record. Maybe of the last days of this drone. I don't know if we can get to the beach in time. And there's a thunderstorm coming in too. Wait, it's going there. It's going there. I think we got it. No image transmission signal. That means, I don't know, maybe it's died. Whoa. Holy cow. 对了，顺便介绍一下地理，我们现在在长岛的这个北边儿，叫做 Long Island Sound 的一个地方。因为这个吧，我们就是不敢出去，所以不太能够冒险。我们现在要回去了。Oh, I think I just saw lightning over there. Shit. Alright, 我们现在看到它在那个地方落下来。然后刚才有一辆车卡车过来，所以我现在就是很怕它被压坏了。I think I still have it. I think I see something. Yeah. Hopefully that's it. If it didn't get run over by a truck. I think that's it. The white thing. All right, let's go over there. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Oh no. Oh shit. No. Are you okay? 你没事吧？ Oh yes! Look at! Ah! And it's still on! 还开着，还有一点点电池。Woo! Alright， 如果想要的话，也可以关注我的 Instagram， 就是小马 NYC。刚开的。Woo! You got it. Yeah. This thing is tough. Like it almost flew into your face, but it was fine. And also like.
Did it avoid my face? Do you think?
I don't know. I think it just kind of barely missed it.
Do you have footage of it like coming at my face?
I don't. On the boat, it's too close. Like it has obstacle avoidance, so it can't really move around it. 谢谢你们，这次来punch and